a bunch of them over here. We're gonna blow the horn again. See if we can get them all to go. We'll make those go. Oh, they're bomb-proof already. They're bomb-proof. That's funny. Bomb-proof birds. Look at all this ice on the trees here, y'all. It's 25 degrees right now. The only thing I regret about this ride, though, you know, I'm feeling good, but I regret that I don't have fingertips on these gloves. My fingers are a little cold. But otherwise, I feel pretty good, and my fingers are actually getting pretty used to it. So, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Haha. Now this is a challenge on a bicycle, but they gotta do it. They gotta do it to keep the cows in. So we're gonna try to make it across. Oh man, I'm glad we didn't slip on that. You know, I'm sure it's wet. I'm sure that cattle guard is wet, you know, because those pipes are suspended above the ground. So we're gonna see if we can make it back across. If we can, we're gonna call this a win. Oh yeah, we made it. Whoop whoop, Aggies, Aggies, whoop whoop, Aggies, Aggies. What you call Aggie power right there.